The American alligators are the largest reptile in North America. They live in freshwater wetlands in the southern eastern United States. The average alligator's lifespan is 50 years. Alligators can grow to a maximum length of 14 feet. The bears are the carnivore mammals of the family Ursidae. This species continues to grow until 11 years old. The lifespan in the wild, the brown bears can reach 20 to 30 years of the age. The cat is a domestic species of a small carnivorous mammal. The average lifespan for a pet cat is probably around 13 to 14 years. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf, also called the domestic dog. Average lifespan of a dog is between 10 to 13 years, but some can live much longer. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. An elephant under domestication lives longer than when it is in the forest. The average lifespan of the elephant vary from 40 to 65 years. The majority of common tropical fish live for an average of 3 to 5 years. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of a goat antelope typically kept as livestock. Average lifespan of a goat is 15 to 18 years. A hen commonly refers to a female animal, a female chicken. The average lifespan of a hen is 10 to 20 years. Iguana is a genus of herbivorous lizards that are native to tropical areas of Mexico, Central America, South America, and Caribbean. The lifespan of an iguana is on average 12 to 15 years. The jaguar is a large cat species and the only living member of genus Panthera native to Americas. The lifespan of a jaguar is on average 12 to 15 years. A kangaroo is an Australian marsupial. It belongs to a genus Macropus. Average lifespan is around 8 years in the wild, up to 25 years under human care. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. The lifespan is female can live 15 to 16 years and the male is 8 to 10 years. Monkeys are tree-dwelling simians. They are in a primate order. Monkeys are intelligent, social animals. Monkeys have a tail, even if it is a short one. Monkeys live up to 25 years. Some even reach 30 years too. The common nightingale is a songbird found in Eurasia. Nightingales are named so because they frequently sing at night as well as during the day. Nightingales can live for 1 to 3 years. The ostrich is a large flightless bird that lives in Africa. They are the largest living bird species and they have the biggest eggs of all living birds. Ostriches do not fly but can run faster than any other bird. Their lifespan is typically 40 to 45 years. The pigs or domestic pigs are mammals in the genus Sus. Pigs have poor eyesight but a great sense of smell. Average lifespan is 15 to 20 years. Quails are very small birds that belongs to pheasant and partridge species. A quail lives for an average about 2 to 3 years. Rabbits are meticulously clean animals and are easy to housebreak and train. Rabbits also have very good memory. Rabbits generally live for 5 to 8 years depending on their environment and breed. A domestic sheep is a domesticated mammal related to wild sheep and goats. Sheep are owned and looked after by a sheep farmer. The average lifespan of a sheep is 10 to 12 years. The tiger is the largest living member of the cat family. It feeds by hunting. A tiger in the wild can live up to 15 years. In captivity, their lifespan is about 20 to 26 years.
Subscribe to Early Learning Zone channel for more videos.